Did you know that God's promises are meant to last forever? The Bible is filled with incredible promises that can bring hope and transformation to our lives. In Romans 1:16, we're reminded that the gospel is the power of God that brings salvation. In Malachi 3:6, we're told that for I am the Lord, I change not, therefore ye sons of Jacob are not consumed. Psalm 33:11 says that the counsel of the Lord standeth forever, the thoughts of his heart to all generations, and Psalm 146:9 tells us that he watches over the foreigner, the fatherless, and the widow. In Isaiah 64:4, we're told that since ancient times, no one has heard, no ear has perceived, no eye has seen any God besides the one who acts on behalf of those who wait for him. And in Proverbs 16:3, we're encouraged to commit our ways to the Lord, and he will establish our plans. Let's take a look at some amazing biblical examples of God's promises in action. In 1 John 4:16, we're told that God is love, and that he loves us not because of what we've done, but because of who he is. In Ephesians 2:13, we're reminded that we were once far away from God, but now we're brought near through the blood of Jesus. Colossians 3:3 says that for ye are dead, and your life is hid with Christ in God. And 1 Peter 2:9 tells us that, but ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, an holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who hath called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. Also in Romans 8:11, we're promised that the same Spirit who raised Jesus from the dead lives in us, and he will also give life to our mortal bodies. These promises are not just nice words, they're powerful truths that can transform our lives. Psalm 34:17, which says, the righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, he delivers them from all their troubles. So let's recap why trusting in God's eternal promises is so important. When we trust in his promises, we're reminded that he's our rock, our refuge, and our salvation.